Hello and welcome to this piano accordion tutorial. Today you'll be learning the Humours of Tulla. And here I'm transitioning into the next reel. So this tune is in the key of D major, which has C sharp and F sharp, and the time signature is 4/4. This tune only has two chords, D major and A7. In order to find D major on your accordion, we're going to use E. E should be marked on your accordion. It should either be concave or have some sort of marking on it. If you're not sure that you've found E, find E on your keyboard, play the bass note and the keyboard at the same time, and if they blend, you've found E. Now go 2 rows down to find D. D major. 1 row up, you'll find A7. Go back and forth between D major and A7 until you're comfortable. In the tune, we're going to play these two chords with an alternating bass. Have a listen. Now see if you can follow along. I'm also going to show you a second option. This is how I prefer to play it. You just leave out the alternating bass note. Watch your hand position here. You want your thumb on A, your 5th finger on F sharp, and your 3rd finger on D. Bring your arm forward, try and avoid the claw. It will be very uncomfortable and limiting. Starting with the 3rd finger, we're going down to the thumb, back up to the 3rd finger, down to the thumb, 3rd finger, thumb. Watch how the thumb is going between A and B. I'm lifting my fingers quite high to emphasize the movements, but you don't need to play like this. Now we're going to try it a couple of times with the metronome. When you're comfortable, put hands together. Part 2 of the first section is very similar. Watch closely, we're going to use the third finger on F sharp. I'll show you that little bit again. This is important to set your hand up for the next section. We'll try it a couple times with the metronome. Section 2 has a new hand position. Thumb on D and fifth finger on A. Make sure your arm is forward. Put your fourth finger on F sharp. And then use your third finger. And this is what you'll sound like once you've done your practice. So when I play this tune, I just move straight into the next reel, but your optional ending is a D chord. Alright, thanks for watching. Go do your practice and have fun.